So today we will solve some word problems in the quadratic equation. So the first question: a motor boat whose speed is 18 km/h in still water takes 1 hour more to cover distance of 24 kilometers in upstream. Then the downstream. Find the speed of the current. Okay. So when the question comes up in the upstream and downstream, we have already discussed this kind of question in the linear equation of two variables. This is quadratic equation of one variable. So how to solve? Look at here. So you are given speed of the boat in still water is 18 km/h. Okay. Suppose speed of the current is x km/h. So it will go in upstream, it will come back downstream. Means it will go 24 kilometers here, it will come back also 24 kilometers. Means it will go from here to here and come back. That means it is going 24 kilometers, coming back 24 kilometers. So it is taking, for upstream it is taking 1 hour more than the downstream. So write down the formula. What will be speed of the boat in upstream? Speed of the boat in upstream. Upstream make current will make it minus, so it will be slow because current is opposing here. So it will be 18 minus x km/h. So speed of the boat in downstream. So downstream means boat is going this direction, current is also, boat is going this direction, current is also flowing. This is downstream. So both are coming in the same direction. You have to add here 18 plus x km/h. So now find out what is the time taken in upstream. Time taken in upstream. Time equals to distance by speed. Distance is how much? 24 kilometers. Upstream speed is how much? 18 minus x. This is in hour. Similarly, time taken in downstream. Time taken in downstream, that is T2. That is distance by speed. Here the distance is same. So speed is 18 plus x. Now the question is, which one is bigger, which one is smaller here? Look at which denominator is bigger, the number is smaller. So here you can look at here, the denominator is smaller here, here the denominator is bigger. That means this is a smaller, this is a smaller number, this is a bigger number. How to know? Now 18 plus x, 18 minus x. So whose denominator is smaller, the value is bigger. So when the denominator is bigger here, the value is smaller. That means this is bigger minus smaller, time taken is 1 hour. So we write here T1 minus T2 is 1 hour. That means 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x equals to 1. Now we have to solve it. How to solve? Take the LCM. 18 minus x, 18 plus x. So this will be multiplied here. 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x equals to 1. So you have to simplify. 24 into 18. 432. Then plus 24x minus 432 plus 24x divided by, this is a minus b, a plus b, 18 square minus x square. A plus a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. So here this is cancelled. So what did you get now? You are getting 24x plus 24x is 48x by 324 minus x square equals to 1. Now cross multiplication. So 48 1 into 324 minus x square. Now 1 into any number is same number, 48x. So you get 48x equals to 324 minus x square. Let's bring this now this side. X square, this will be remaining this side, plus 48x. This will come this side, minus 324 equals to 0. So when you find numbers are big, you can take the help of formula also. So A equals to 1, B equals to 48, C equals to minus 324. Okay, formula is x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus 48 plus minus 48 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 324 divided by 2 into 1. So 48 how much find out? 88 64, again 64. So this is 4 0 2 3 0 4. Okay. So you are finding x equals to minus 48 plus minus 3204 minus into minus is plus 4 4 jar 16, 4 2 jar 8 1 9, 4 3 jar 12 divided by 2. So this is minus 48 plus minus 0 0 0 check it again. So 304. 324 multiplied by 4. So there is slight mistake, I think. Let's check here. Question, let me check again. It is 3600 3600 should be 3600 means what is a mistake, I think. This is a mistake, na? 2304. So 2304 plus this is 3600 divided by 2. Okay. So now that is minus 48 plus minus. I would like to teach you how to find 36 root over. First to make it pair. Okay. Then 6 36. Then this is over. 20 comes down, means you put 10. So that is 60 by 2. So minus 48 plus 60 by 2 minus 48 plus 60 by 2. So minus 60 by 2. This is 60 minus 48, 12 by 2. Then this is 108 by 2. This is 54. This is rejected. Negative it cannot be. So this is 6 kilometer per hour. That is speed of the current. So now let's see some more question on this. If you go to your exercise, so in a class test, so if you go to your exercise, you will find a question. In a class test, the sum of the sum of Cephalus mark in mathematics and English, in maths and English is 30. This is a very important question. Try to see. Hetzi got 2 marks more in maths, 2 marks more in maths, and 3 marks less in English, the product of the marks, product of their marks would have been 210. Would have been 210. Find the marks obtained in maths and physics. Okay, I'll frame the equation. You will try to solve. In a class test, sum of the Cephalus marks in maths and English is 30. Suppose maths mark is x. Maths mark is x. Then English will be 30 minus x. Hetzi got 2 marks more in maths. 2 marks more in maths means new marks. New marks, maths will be x plus 2. 3 marks less in English. English will be 30 minus x minus 3. So that will be how much? That will be 27 minus x. Then the product would be 210, means x plus 2, 27 minus x is 210. So if you multiply 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x equals to 210. Implies 27 minus 2x, 25x minus x square minus plus 54 minus 210 equals to 0. Okay, got any equation now? So we are getting 25x minus x square. This is how much? 210. 54 you make minus 156. Minus 156 equals to 0. So easy if you make this one plus. So divide by minus 1. That means this will be plus. This will be minus. This will be plus. This is easy to calculate. Okay, a equals to 1. B equals to minus 25. C equals to 156. Now you try to solve this. I am leaving for it. Okay, now see another question. Suppose you get one more question on this. The diagonal of a rectangular field is is 60 meters more than the shutter side. 60 meter more than the shutter side. Okay. If the longer side is 30 meter more than shutter side, if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shutter side, find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay. Diagonal is 60 meter more than shutter side. Let's make the diagram here. There is a rectangle. Shutter is this, longer is this. Okay. Longer side is 30 meter more than shutter side. So this will be longer side 30 meters more. 30 plus x. Diagonal is 60 meters more than shutter side. So how to create the equation? Pythagoras theorem you have to use here. So write down shutter side BC equals to x. Longer side AB equals to 30 plus x. Then diagonal AC equals to 60 plus x. As I have studied in class 8 Pythagoras theorem, square of the longest side means AC square equals to sum of the square of other two sides means AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so let's put here 60 plus x whole square, 30 plus x whole square plus x square. So how to solve? So a plus b whole square, 60 square plus 2 into 60 into x plus x square equals to, again a plus b whole square, 30 square plus 2 into 30 into x plus x square, then again plus x square. So you are getting 60 square is how much? 60, 3600 plus 120x plus x square equals to 900 plus 60x plus x square plus x square. So I can cancel one x square here. From both the sides, because this side equals to this side, 1x square, same number, same sign, you can cancel. So now let's take everything to that side. So x square plus 60x plus 900 minus 3600 minus 120x equals to 0. So implies x square minus 60x. We have 60x minus this is 60x minus 2700 equals to 0. Let's find ABC. A equals to 1, B is minus 60, C is equal to minus 2700. Okay, use formula. What will you get? So x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, minus 60 plus minus 60 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2700 divided by 2 into 1. Okay, minus plus 60, 3600, because 60 is 36. Then this you multiply 108, 27 4, 108, then 2 zeros, 2. So 60 plus minus root over of 144, then 2 zeros. Okay, easy method will teach you. 144 का root over is 12, and what from 2 0 you take 1 0. So that is directly you can find out. The technique is 144 का root over is 12. Then from 2 0 you take 1 0. So that is 60 plus minus 120 by 2. The 60 plus 120 by 2, 60 minus 120 by 2. So this is 180 by 2 minus 60 by 2. Negative is rejected. 90. Therefore, shorter side x 90 meter, longer side 30 plus x, 30 plus 90, 120 meter, diagonal 60 plus x, 60 plus 90, 150 meter. So like this you have to find out. Okay, then let's take one more question. There is another question here. The difference of square of two numbers is 180. The square of this smaller number is square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Square of the smaller number 8 times the larger number. Find the numbers. This is slight different. Try to see the difference of the square of two numbers. So first you will start first number square, second number square is 180. So when this is positive, means your first number is greater than second number. because the difference is positive. So now the question is square of the smaller number. Which is smaller? Second is smaller. So suppose second number is x. Second number equals to x. Now square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So larger number means how much? Now square of the smaller number, x square, is 8 times the larger number. Larger. Let me check the question again. Square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find two numbers. Okay, square of the smaller number. Second number means smaller here. Eight times the larger. So larger is how much then? The larger equals to x square by 8. So this is your now first number is x square by 8. So x square by 8 whole square, because first number का square minus second number का square. Second number is x square equals to 180. Now we have to solve it. How to solve it here? So if I make it square, x square will be x4 by 64 minus x square equals to 180. Now take the LCM. 64. This is x4 minus 64 x square equals to 180. Now do cross multiplication. So x4 minus 64x square equals to 180 into 64. Okay? So x4 minus 64x square, take this number this side, minus 0. Let me check. Okay. Now the problem here is this is not a quadratic equation because the power is 4. So what we'll do is we'll do here let x square equals to 1. That means ये x square का whole square. This is x square whole square. That means this will be y square. 64x square is y. 64 minus 64y minus 11520 equals to 0. So find a equals to 1. B is minus 64. C is minus 11520. So y equals to, here not x, y equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so how to solve? So y equals to minus 64 plus minus 64 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 11520 divided by 2 into 1. Okay, this is 64 plus minus root over of 64 find out. $4096. Now minus is plus 0, 428, 4520, 4146, again 4 divided by 2. Let's end it. So you'll find 46086 4096. Four six zero eight zero 50176. 64 plus minus 50176 divided by 2. Okay, let me teach you how to find 50176 ka square root. Look at here. If I draw this part, 50176, make pair from right side, first pair, second pair. Okay, now 5, which number will go? 2 2s are 4, then 1, 2 digits will count down, 0 1 will count down, last 2, 4. Take a number which is closer to this, because division is not finishing here, 2 more digits are there, so I can take 2 here, 2 2s are 4, because 3 I take, then again I have to put 3 here, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, means 129, that is bigger, so I cannot take 3, I have to take 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. How much you got? This is 7, this is 1, okay, then 7 6, these two you have to add here, 44. Now which number will go? Last number is 6, either 4 4s are 16 or 6 6s are 36, either it will go with 4 or it will go with 6. Let me try with 4. Smaller number I will try, because 4 4s are 16, closer to 17. 4 4s are 16, carry 1. 4 4s are 16, 1 17, carry 1. 4 4s are 16, 1 17. That means 2 2 4 is the square root. So that is 64 plus 224 by 2. Okay, let's find out then. 64 plus 224 by 2, one number. Then 64 minus 224 by 2, second value of y. So this is 2, this is negative by 2, negative to rejected. So this is 144, okay, 144. So 144 means your y ka value is 144. But your question was what? X square. So means x square is 144 x equals to 144 by, sorry, under plus minus root over. So x is equal to plus minus 12. So negative is rejected, therefore x is equal to 12. Okay. What is the larger number? X square by 8. Larger x square by 8 means 12 into 12 by 8 minus, this is the smaller is 12. So larger will be 12 into 12. 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja, 12 into 12 by 8. 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja, 2 6 ja. So larger is 6 3 ja, 18. Larger, smaller 12. Okay, you practice these questions again. Tomorrow we will solve some more problems.